So I'm out here in the mill shed and I need to make or cut some pretty important pieces of lumber, and that would be for stickers for stacking the lumber after it's cut. And I don't have any. I'm out. The ones I had weren't very good, so I'm gonna take this poplar log behind me here and mill it into stickers for the white oak project there in Warren, Ohio, where we are going to be slabbing up and cutting up some white oak and red oak. But nothing fancy today, just going to mill up some stickers. So enjoy it. trying to make my boards 3/4 inch thick. And this one came out at about 7/8. So I'm going to try to make the next one a little smaller. We milled about 100 stickers today off one 16.5 inch poplar log. It's about 8.5 foot long, and my junk, wood junk here is piling up for the fire. But here's a half a bag of sawdust for Phil, and I'm gonna call him because there's so much heat in this that I feel like I should leave the bag open so the heat exhausts. But I'll call Phil and ask him. But yeah, sticker day is a good day to come out and grab sawdust, that's for sure. Because if I did 3 of them logs, you know, I'd fill a bag and a half. But she creates a lot of sawdust and a lot of little pieces. So disposing of slab wood is key, and finding a place to throw your cutoffs or take your cutoffs. That's key. This is all mistakes. So yeah, you generate a lot of wood and a lot of there's a lot of byproducts. So yeah, good times. South Windsor Road. Taking a left?
Yep.
On the plank?
No, right. I'm sorry.
Oh, right. Taking a right.
It's the other left.
South Windsor Road.
Bundysburg Road.
Bundysburg Road. This is where Byler's kiln is? Down here?
He's on Nauvoo.
Oh.
It's the end of Nauvoo.
It's a big mill, huh? Byler's kiln drying. Where'd you go, Dad?
Back in. Called cells off.
Slabs everywhere. Got some slabs. Got customer parking. Stickered wood. So here's some more slabs. Little black walnut. Pieces of black walnut. So what are these? So that's 9/4. Number. These cantilevers are nice, aren't they? Just for storage. That's a big one. So is this is all kiln dried, huh, Dad?
I believe.
River epoxy. White oak. What do you got here? Here's some tap stain maple, or is this wormy? What is this with these little holes?
8/4 to 2.5.
Dang. Like, what's this? Oh, 600. Here's the price. Okay, $675. It's 8/4. What does 1 7/8 mean? 8/4, 1 7/8.
Yeah, I think they'll call it 8/4. Right?
So this has been planed.
Either that or they got a pretty good saw.
Looks like there's a streak through it. It's kind of cool. I think that's been planed. That's probably what this is from. This is a slight difference. Yeah, I can feel it. $675.
Yeah, here's some smaller.
Spalted maple, $432. How tall are these, Dad? 12. 12 foot. 8/4 equals 2.5. I don't know what that means.
It means thickness. It's not even.
192. What else you got, Dad?
There's some round ones back here.
Cookies.
That's a plane, or these guys will make like a sled and use.
Yeah, this is a different thickness here. I can feel a lip.
They'll make a sled and use like a router on
Oh, I got you. Maple slab.
it. These are all cracked up.
Well, because of river epoxy. 8/4. Beech. Here's a pine slab. It does, with that little ridge on there, make it look like it's glued together, doesn't it? Pine slab. Beech.
It says 39 feet. Probably they figured out the board feet.
Oh, I got you. Okay. 49 board feet. This thing's huge, this beech slab. And then there's just, these are slabs or just boards?
This is all lumber.
Oh, okay.
This back here is S3S.
What's that mean?
It's finished on one side, I think.
Curly.
But they charge you, like I've got some
poplar.
half-inch back here, and I thought it would be less. They charge me like it was 1 inch.
Oh, really?
There's some curly.
Curly maple. Soft maple. Cherry. Ash. I like me some white oak.
White oak is over here.
Hard maple. S3S.
Quarter sawn.
Does that mean smooth on 3 sides?
Yeah.
This is quarter sawn. Yeah.
Quarter sawn.
I love me some quarter sawn.
Got the flex.
Yeah. Quarter sawn white oak, buddy. Look at that. Medullary raised. Kind of smells good too. What, 50, it says white. This is ash.
Yeah. It's oak.
Yeah.
Here's another.
Big chunk of ash. It's 5/4. Is this smooth on 3 sides? Is that what that means? S3S?
I think.
So it's 13 foot, 5/4. Ash, 53.
Very little beech. I think the beech, because the beech is dying, we just don't have it. Hickory.
There's the holes in those.
Yeah, it's wormy, so it's like pretty cheap.
What do you do with it?
Make shells. Doesn't work, but that there's some worm holes, and it's like a quarter across.
Of what? Pine?
Of a white, regular, good white oak.
Oh, I got you. Huh.
Black walnut.
I love hickory too. Hickory's pretty. What's P mean? Planed, probably. Quarter, and then so we just need to grab a price sheet.
Is this fine?
I don't know.
I think that's what it is.
It's kind of pretty looking.
Cherry behind.
Ingrown bark.
Early cherry. Oh, there's some white oak behind.
Bark inclusion. Early white oak. That's cool.
So some of the black walnuts, like got a line through it, and then that's common. That's cheaper.
If it's got a line, it means something.
Yeah, it's common. It's cheaper. It's
What does common mean? Just not
not.
great.
Yeah, primo.
Bark inclusions are cool. Quarter sawn walnut. Wow. He just dropped the height. Now he's coming back the other way. open for lunch. There you go. This is a monster sandwich. Jeez.